Now let's take a look at the all-gas range. BlueStar really made their name in cooking with their ranges. They started with traditional wood and coal fire ranges. They came out with their commercial style range, and this is a variation of that. If you'll notice, the big thing are these daisy burners. These are cast iron burners. You're going to have cast iron trays, which are nice because if you have a specialized wok, that'll fit right down on just by removing the grate. But BlueStar's big claim to fame is the fact that these burners are very, very high output. So when you have open burners like this, you can get the BTU output to a very, very high heat. These units on some of these burners are over 20,000 BTUs. The next thing is you can get different colors. So there are 1,000 RAL color variations that you can select. So if you wanted to match cabinetry, if you wanted to match flooring, just about anything. If you have a favorite color, whether it be pink, go ahead and select the RAL color. They'll send you a sample and go ahead and order it. Inside, what you'll notice is that this rack will handle a commercial style cookie sheet on their 36-inch range. So the largest trays available will fit inside of the 36-inch BlueStar range. They do offer dual fuel, which sizes will be a little bit different inside. But BlueStar's claim to fame is their all-gas ranges. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com.